how to turn on fundraisers and crisis notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on fundraisers and crisis notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines in the top corner and go down. Here you will find settings and then click notifications and you just click this one, fundraisers and crisis, and now just turn everything on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.